Okay, so I'm doing question 2 here, and it says express each of the following vectors in terms of I and j. So remember, I is the horizontal component, horizontal, and j is the vertical component, vertical component. So, running through these, now in the back of your book, the answers to 2a and 2b are wrong, they're backwards. So this is the vertical component, and it's going downwards. So this has, if I want to express this vector in terms of I and j, there is no I component. It's not moving left or right at all. It's just moving straight down. So it's just got a j component, and that j component is negative 6j. This one, oh, make sure you put your little thing under your j's. I'm going to forget that all the time. Now, here's our 5. Again, there's no up and down component this time, it's just a cross. And it's a positive one, so this one's going to have 5i. Only an I component, no j component. Part C, this is where you have to start doing some maths, I guess. Now, this one gives you the angle from the horizontal, and it also gives you the magnitude, the length, if you like, of our vector, 10. So, in order for you to find the I and the j components, you just need to do a little bit of trigonometry. So the I component is going to be this, and the j component is going to be that. Now if you want like a little formula here, you can use these formulas. Cos theta equals x over the absolute, or the magnitude of the vector. Sin theta equals y over the magnitude of a. And then this is really the formula that you end up using. But you should just use your head here. You know trigonometry, SOHCAHTOA, you should be able to find those values. So if I want to do my first one here, I can say that cos theta equals adjacent over hypotenuse, I over 10. And then I can rearrange that. 10 cos 40 equals I, 10 cos 40 equals I, put it in my calculator, I get 7.66 will do. And then for my second one here, I've got the j component, sin theta equals j over 10, rearrange it the same way, 10 sine 40 equals j, calculator, 6.42. And we can finish this off by, let's say this vector is vector u. Vector u is equal to 7.66 I plus 6.42 j. Alright, that's C. I'm just going to do one more of these. Alright, so the last one I might do is E. Now, the only difference between question C and question E is that you've got your 39-degree angle here, but don't use 39 degrees. Instead, go all the way around from the positive direction of the x-axis. Start here, start along this line, go around here. So it's 180 plus 39, which is 219. Use that 219 instead. So if I go through my working again, I can just start from my formula here. I can go the magnitude is 16 this time. 16 cos 219. That will give me my I component. And I won't put this in the calculator till the end. And then we've got 16 sine 219. And that will give me my j component. Calculators. So that gives me two values. I is negative 12.43 and j is negative 10.07. So all up, we can finish up by putting this vector in component form. The vector u is equal to negative 12.43 I minus 10.07 j. Notice there's a negative and a negative here. That's because if you look at this vector, the horizontal component is heading downwards, and the vertical component is heading off to the left. These are both negative directions, so you're going to end up with negative values. There's question 2.